Ehsan, what structural changes would you like to see implemented to shape Canada's digital future?
Again, another great question, Declan. What I would like to happen is that what I would like to see happening is that we talked about this. I mentioned the fact that I think as an entrepreneur myself, I think the Canadian government has done an amazing job investing billions of dollars into research and innovation and really supporting the earliest stage startups. That has led to the success that we're seeing today. I think I should be appreciative. People like myself should be appreciative of all the resources available. But I think what at this stage makes sense is for the government and those government incentive funds and programs to start investing in funds similar to ours that have a better chance of providing the support and resources and really looking after the companies that we invest in. When you are providing grants, when you are providing government incentives to the companies, it's very hard to structure a measure to really look after these companies and make sure the outcome is properly established. Whereas investment institutions, funds, they look after the companies and they do their best to guarantee the success or to improve the chance of success of those companies. Whereas the grants are not really that. I mean, I don't think there would be any meaningful way to just basically say we're providing this grant, this incentive to you as a company, as an entrepreneur, and we want you to make sure that you meet your projections, your objectives, and you go out there and you make sales. They cannot be designed that way. And so maybe a fix or maybe an improvement to that is for the government to start thinking about how to allocate some of that budget to the funds as matching funds to improve on what we already do and to also hopefully support the future entrepreneurs better. And one other thing, sorry, I just realized that I haven't yet looked back at my angel investment history journey, and I haven't talked so much about it. But looking back as an angel, there are some incentives in provinces like British Columbia for considering investments as part of their RSP contribution. We don't have that in Ontario. We don't have that across Canada. We need to think about those type of incentives. So we need to also incentivize our investors in ways that they are taking the risk and supporting the earliest stage community, earliest stage startup community.